Morning guys, another day of exploring South Pembrokeshire. Beautiful weather again. I'll let this guy have another half hour, then we'll get up and get out. Right guys, at Wisemans Bridge, beautifully. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, a beautiful, quiet place. Usually. What's all the noise? Usually is. Plenty of shellfish as well, mussels, limpets, whelks. Gotta make sure you can have mussels, they're water source. It's good, it's clean. Filter feeded, and you can't get parasites if they're not cooked properly, so be careful with mussels. Hang on, kid. Oh, some fish. Plenty of mussels here, but only small. I think if you are going to get mussels, try and get the big ones, the big juicy ones. Kid, come back. Any crabs, kid? Have we seen any crabs? Lots of mussels. Let's have a look. Nothing under there. Always put the rocks back the same size you got them from. Kid, come over here. Some of that. I see a fish there, but probably disappeared. There we go. Let's have a look in a minute. There we go. Very quick, wherever it's gone. Because with kids, you don't keep your eye enemies off and don't want them slipping on these rocks around here. Be careful. So there is plenty edible if you wanna pick them out. There is plenty edible. Mussel wise, when I get them, I like the big, not too bad, but the big juicy ones. Got my steak. bit of skill. A couple of them aren't a bad size. But lots of them, look at that. You're getting tired, aren't you? You're getting tired? So we're getting these little twigs. Cade, how much? Cade, let's have a look what you've collected. Well, that's typical. Too busy holding his plastic ball and his juice. I'm trying to find enough beech wood to get a little fire going to cut my steaks, but really struggling. All depends on the tide. Sometimes there's lots of wood drifted up, and other times it's just dried up seaweed, bits of twigs. But I've been looking for a good 10 minutes and that. That's the only piece of wood I found. So I'm getting hungry. Kay's getting hungry, so it's either one of them instant barbecues we got in the car or the stove. Shame really, I just wanted to get a fire going, cook it that way, because I've got a grill in my bag. It's usually places like this you can see. It'll be a hard task, to be honest with you, to cook 2 steaks, and they're quite thick steaks, so it can't be just a quick fire with bitter one. Kid, come here. Of course, well, lots of people come making campfires on this beach, groups of teenagers, fishermen. It's beating me this time. No wood. I mean, there's some woods way over there. Well, I'm not trekking Cade all the way to the woods and back. It's not worth it. Just wanted some beech wood, stuff that had drifted up. It is what it is. You go with the flow. You can do what you can do. Okay, do you want to put that on? Put that there. Put it on there. Are you just going to twizzle that? Well, that's all managed to get. Probably looks more on camera than what it is. Maybe we could try it and have a couple of rare steaks. So we've got a bit of a fire going like you do on the beach, but there's nowhere near enough wood there to cook these 2 steaks. They're thick steaks. It's very thin wood, that'll burn down in minutes. So I'll have to go to plan B. Probably use one of the instant barbecues. I know Kay's getting tired, aren't you? It's been a long day. We've got a few flames for a few minutes. What a beautiful setting. Going down already, so there we go. That's literally been 6 minutes, it's gone, so there's no chance. bits of a light on. There's no chance it's the kid. Don't worry, we'll have them after. It's 2:30 in the morning, just got into sleep. You think you'd be tired early, wouldn't you? And nice steaks, ready. Probably a bit overdone because I've been trying to get little man to sleep. But they'll do me, especially with that and that one. Great day. Bless him. This guy's knackered, no wonder we're up early, out late. Absolutely beautiful place. Pembrokeshire is absolutely awesome. Love sleeping in the car, car camping, sense of freedom. Brilliant. Tomorrow off to the Liz Step. Beautiful coves, beaches, cliff tops. Can't wait. Please do like, share and subscribe, guys. Leave me a comment, I'll always reply. Get out if you can. It's a short life. Just get out there and live it. Alright, take care. See you in the next vid.